Ever wondered what happens in your brain when a light bulb moment strikes? Well, it's about the intricate cognitive processes that underlie creativity. Let's delve into the magic of divergent thinking and pattern recognition. Divergent thinking is like a multi-lane highway for your thoughts. It allows you to generate a multitude of ideas and solutions, each one branching out from the same starting point. It's like standing at the mouth of a river and watching it into countless streams, each one a potential path to a unique outcome. Now, pattern recognition is the secret sauce that spices up the creative process. It's your brain's ability to spot connections, relationships, and patterns that others might miss. It's like having a mental magnifying glass that highlights the subtle links between seemingly unrelated concepts. Together, these two processes create a symphony of thought. In essence, creativity is a dance between divergent thinking, pattern recognition, a harmony that gives birth to innovative ideas. If you're enjoying this journey into the mind, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more. Can you imagine creating something without relying on your memory? Memory, the storage house of our experiences, plays a pivotal role in the creative process. Let's break this down. Firstly, we have short-term memory. Think of it as a mental workspace where our current thoughts and ideas come alive. When we're brainstorming for a novel, painting a portrait, or crafting a melody, it's the short-term memory that helps us juggle these fresh concepts and see how they fit together. Then there's long-term memory. This vast, expansive archive holds our past experiences, knowledge, and skills. When we need inspiration, it's from this reservoir that we draw upon. Each memory, each experience shapes our unique creative output. Consider a sculptor who crafts a masterpiece. The form, the texture, the emotion it evokes, all are born from the amalgamation of the sculptor's memories. Memory, therefore, serves as a treasure trove, rich with raw materials for our creative endeavors. Feeling stuck in a creative rut? Don't worry, we've all been there. It's a universal part of the creative journey, and overcoming these mental blocks can lead to even greater innovation. So how do we do that? Let's start with taking breaks. It may seem counterintuitive, but stepping away from the task at hand can actually spark new ideas. Our brains continue to work on problems even when we're not consciously thinking about them. Switching environments can also stimulate creativity. A different location or even a different room can offer fresh perspectives. Finally, practicing mindfulness can free up mental resources. By focusing on the present moment, we can clear the clutter from our minds, making room for new ideas to bloom. These strategies are not just about overcoming obstacles, but about fostering a free-flowing imagination that can turn even the most stubborn mental blocks into well springs of creativity. Remember, a mental block is not a barrier, but merely a stepping stone towards greater creativity. Let's take a fascinating journey into the brain, shall we? The neuroscience of creativity is a riveting exploration into how our brain's different regions play their parts during creative thinking. Imagine a grand orchestra, each instrument contributing to a harmonious symphony. Our brain operates in much the same way during the creative process. Take the prefrontal cortex, for instance. This is the conductor of our brain's orchestra, responsible for decision-making and critical thinking. When we're being creative, the prefrontal cortex helps us generate and refine our ideas, acting as a filter that lets through the most innovative and useful concepts. Next, we move to the default mode network, a group of interconnected brain regions that are active when we're not focused on the outside world. This network is like the violin section of our orchestra, adding depth and richness to our creative symphony. It's most active when we're daydreaming or letting our minds wander, which is often when we stumble upon our most creative ideas. These are just two of the key players in our brain's creative orchestra. There are many more, all working together to create, refine, and select our ideas. The beauty of it all is that this process happens unconsciously, without us even realizing it. Just as an orchestra produces beautiful music through the harmony of different instruments, so does our brain create ideas through the collaboration of different regions. Now that we've explored the cognitive foundations of creativity, how can we apply this knowledge to enhance our creative prowess? Our first tip is to practice divergent thinking. This means generating as many ideas as possible, no matter how outlandish they may seem. The key is to let your mind roam free, exploring all possible angles and perspectives. After all, creativity often blooms in the most unexpected corners. Next, we encourage you to exercise your memory. This doesn't just involve recalling facts or events, but also making connections between seemingly unrelated ideas. Creativity is in many ways about finding novel relationships, and a robust memory serves as the perfect playground for such exploration. Of course, we all face mental blocks from time to time. These are not barriers, but rather opportunities for growth. When you hit a wall, don't shy away from it. Instead, challenge it head-on. Ask yourself questions, engage in brainstorming, or simply take a break. Remember, the most creative solutions often come when we least expect them. Finally, nurture your brain's creative regions. This could mean engaging in activities that stimulate the right hemisphere of your brain, such as drawing, painting, or listening to music. It could also mean ensuring you get enough sleep, as rest is crucial for the brain's creative processes. Armed with these insights, you are now ready to unleash your creative potential. Remember, creativity is not a gift, but a skill that can be honed with understanding and practice. We've journeyed together through the fascinating landscape of the creative mind, haven't we? We've discovered the intricate dance between divergent thinking and pattern recognition, explored the crucial role of memory in fostering creativity, learned how to overcome mental blocks, observed the creative brain in action, and shared practical tips for enhancing our creative prowess. But remember, all this knowledge is just the beginning. Now, it's your turn to put these insights into practice. Start your creative journey today. Use these techniques and strategies to generate fresh ideas, solve complex problems, and bring your unique visions to life. Remember, creativity is not a gift, but a skill. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep creating. The world awaits your innovative ideas and creative solutions. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to unlock your full potential.